Rating the Michelin Bib Gourmand restaurants I tried in Hanoi, Vietnam. First, I tried Pho Gia Truen for authentic pho. The broth was clear and light yet still full of flavor. Yung beef sobrang tender and the cilantro added a layer of complexity to the taste. Overall, very simple and balanced pero full of depth. Rating 9/10. Next stop, Don Duck. First, I tried the spring rolls. Sakto lang sa una pero kailangan mo pala siyang i-dip and i-mix with the sauce to bring out the flavor.
Better, way better.
Sobrang complex, ang sarap. Then I had the duck breast steak. It had a perfectly juicy meat and the rich smoky flavor.
Try natin na. Ang sarap.
Ang sarap nito. Ano to? The fat was rendered nicely so it wasn't too heavy and every bite felt indulgent but balanced. If you're a duck lover like me, super worth it. Bumalik pa nga ako ulit. Rating 10/10. Then I tried Mien Luon Dong Tin, famous for their eel noodles. The broth was clear and naturally sweet, simmered from pork and eel bones. Sobrang comforting pero savory siya without being too heavy. On top, they add crispy fried eel, fresh herbs, and peanuts which gave the soup both texture and aroma. Grabe, sobrang sarap, tas wala pa siyang 200 pesos. Rating 9/10. Next, I tried Mr. Bay Mien Thai. This one serves southern-style Vietnamese food right in the middle of Hanoi. First up, the Ban Cho. Crispy Vietnamese pancake stuffed with shrimp and bean sprouts. Super crunchy outside, soft inside, tapos sobrang sarap kapag nirap with the herbs. I also tried the grilled squid and meat skewers. Smoky, tender, and juicy. Rating 8/10. Last stop, Bun Cha Dae Kim. Ito classic Hanoi comfort food. Grilled pork served with vermicelli noodles and a sweet savory dipping broth. The pork was super smoky and flavorful, fresh off the charcoal grill, and it paired perfectly with the light noodles and herbs. Every bite was balanced, smoky, tangy, a little sweet, and really addicting. Rating 9/10. That's our trip! Like and follow for more travel videos!